This short video is about some tweaking that we're doing to the lower east sectors in Denmark, making it a tad more complicated. We knew, however, from the beginning with this new sector structure that some tweaks was needed down the road, and this will be one of them. I will first explain what has changed and then why the change has been made. As hopefully all of you know now, the rules for area lower east, or any other area for that matter, is that first controller online controls it all. When a second controller comes online, he selects a position from the opposite subsplit, as found in the light, to have a balanced AOR. These rules are unchanged. What is changed though is that we're adding an option from a balanced subsplit to an imbalanced subsplit. So that instead of splitting sectors 2 and 2, you can split the sectors, for example, 3 and 1. Imbalanced. Now you are thinking, God, how? Well, this is still relatively simple. The 4 sectors of Byte creates kind of almost like a half a wheel with the corner sectors Bravo and Echo and the middle sectors Delta and India. To have a balanced AOR, you must staff either the corner ones or the 2 middle ones. If on the other hand you staff 1 corner and 1 middle, the split will now be imbalanced. In practical terms, that means normally everybody log on as the first controller selects EKDK B control, just out of habit, no particular reason, they just do. Just like that, and you always control entire lower area east. If another controller comes online, the same rule stands. He must select a position from the opposite subsplit, so either D or E. If he selects E, the 2 corners are now staffed and the AOR will be balanced. If he on the other hand selects D, then the AOR will become imbalanced with D control, the middle one, taking both Echo, Delta and India. Likewise, if we take another example where you log on Delta control, you sit on your own, you of course have the entire airspace of lower east. Next controller online will have to select the opposite subsplit, so either India or Bravo. He selects India, the 2 middle sectors are staffed and the AOR is balanced. He selects the corner one, sector Bravo, and it becomes imbalanced. Hopefully it makes sense, which brings us back to the why. Now there must be at least some of you thinking, what the hell? When will we ever use this? My honest answer, never. We will in 99% of the cases never really need to use it. So why even bother doing this then? Well, the answer to this only becomes apparent once you consider the third sector. Because this new logic allows us to staff up lower area east in a balanced split with 3 controllers online. In this case, Echo would cover the north, Bravo would cover the south, and then either Delta or India, depending on preference, would cover anything in between. In our current event situation we have now, we just come to the conclusion that for these larger events, 2 sectors are too little, 4 sectors are too many, so we're adding this option in order to have a 3-sector balanced split of the lower east Byte sectors. Note this only applies to the lower sector east, and if you have questions, as always, feel free to reach out, and hopefully it all seems logical enough. Thanks for watching.